Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khat artarek urampang, kajaka puli jong kisamna nakaleng kijala jong kari India, ka Rajiv Gandhi Indian Institute of Management Shilong, kala pelong ika board meeting balalam khamat dau chairman jong kani ka board Ushishir Bajoria, ringkat ke jinonlang director kani kajaka puli u Dr. Amita Bahade, bat ki wede ke he nang punya jong kani kajaka puli. Hadin ke jelang ha ke je kendo bat kinong pathai khubor apo jong kani hi ka school ba u chairman jong kani ka board ulai tho ba ka Sorkar menta kala pelai lai lot ya baro ki IIM ha kari India hi borak wei bakin Ïeng hala ki jong ki Kjat bat menta ka bor baro ka shong ha ka board bakin rai bat ka Sorkar Pdeng kala ai lai lot ru bakin ai ya ki degree bat ki diploma course klem kanu ka jing tuklar jong ka henrei na kalang ka Sorkar kan pha tang uwei uban chuthong hi na ka Sorkar Pdeng bat uwei pat uban thong na ka Sorkar jilla kat ba ki wei pat kit khot jong ka board on jit hi da ka board jong ki IIM.
The main issues people did not focus on. This IIM Act is one such reflection. With this IIM Act, Government of India has given all authority to each individual IIM to run as a separate independent legal entity. The appointment of chairman, of board, of directors, of faculty will all be now done by the board of the respective IIM, no longer by government. So, this is one very big change. Second change is all the IIMs will no longer be a society, will now be a legal entity under this Act and have been declared an institution of national importance. By declaring this and by a specific provision in the Act, each IIM is now free, is authorized to issue degree, diploma, titles, prizes, doctorates. Hitherto, IIMs could only issue a diploma. Now, there's a view that IIM diplomas was very sought after and a very prized thing. No doubt. But in outside world, in a competitive world, it was still a diploma. Well, it's the choice of each respective IIM what they want to do. They want to issue a diploma or degree, but we are free to do. It's the board of each IIM which will decide. You'll be surprised. Central government one nominee, respective state government one nominee. That is all. This is less government. One central government nominee and one state government nominee. In IIM Shilong's case, it will be from Government of India, from HRD Ministry and from the Government of Meghalaya.